Well, we always want to play one more. Thank you so much.
All right, well, not too far from here, there was a guy named Jack Kerouac.
Yeah. All right.
Grew up in Lowell, Massachusetts. Went down to to Columbia University and met up with some of the beat folks down there. Of course, they didn't call themselves that, but they started a little revolution that my generation were directly descended from. The hippies! Yeah! But he wrote this book that pharmacist grew up, had a shop up in Pittsfield, Maine, where I grew up. Gave me one day, he said, read this, Rex, you might like it. And I did, I really did. And I wrote this little song called The Persecution and Restoration of Dean Moriarty. You will find, if you open your mind, that you and I here was really the freak. So relax as you work for your hobby. His beauty abounds in his mind and his body, like the setting sun's hues or the dust on his shoes. He's living his thought, he's Dean Moriarty. So right to the rails of the chamber. Explaining his thoughts about the women and the men. They tell you his dream, never something to see. They swear you do, but you don't know just when. He's like a dancing old prairies that'll never be mowed, or the wind in the sails about to explode. He's like fire and rain, bring pleasure and pain. job, man.
Well, that's how it's been done for nearly 35 years. And that's how it's done now. Aztec two-step.